I'm going to piggyback off this with two little variations to these chords. So the chord structure on the video is this, which is very, very common along lots of different songs. So there's two little variations that I think are really cool to this sound. And one is when you go from this C back up to the D, and it's a bit more of the bass line run, right? So it's... And then you can add in that C sharp. And it's just sliding that little finger up. So that's number one, and number two is progressing from the G directly up to the A minor. So it's a little bit of a different sound, but then you're going to go back to the D into a completely different variation, not the minor seventh, right? So